At Lakeview, we're more than your loan provider. We're here to help you protect your home, stay informed about your equity, and make confident homeownership decisions for your future. When it comes to spending money on your home, which pays off more, maintenance or improvements? Home maintenance can protect your home's value. Think roof repairs, HVAC servicing, gutter cleaning, window sealing. One of the most overlooked but critical maintenance tasks, painting and caulking. It's not just about looks. It seals out water and protects your home's materials from early deterioration. Neglect these, and your home's value can drop fast. Home improvements like kitchen remodels or adding a deck may boost value, but only if the home is well maintained. Buyers look for homes that are move-in ready, not just pretty. Plus, preventive home maintenance may significantly reduce future repair costs, potentially saving homeowners hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Maintain your home now. Make improvements to it later. Your home and wallet will thank you.